Tracy King has informed me that she is a little bit too scared of crowds to talk over the microphone. So it looks like this year I will also be announcing the cheerleaders. So we'll start off with the sophomore cheerleaders. We have Kelly Crane and Shauna Grimes. Next we have the juniors, Brittany Hall, Sydney Young, Chelsea McElroy, Libby Garrett, and Sarah Kramer. And now your senior cheerleaders, Emily Hanks, Danielle Hall, Alex Miller, Lindsay Mazanik, and Carissa Lutz. And we'd also like to get your coach out there so she can be seen too, with an extra member. And there are your 2010-2011 South Central High School cheerleaders.